Congratulations, you've come a long way. Now it's the time to export your video. In VN Video Editor, exporting means converting your edited timeline into a finished video file that can play on any device or platform. Here is how to do it step by step. If you want to export it, you tap on this particular button right here. So tap on it, and then you are going to adjust some settings before you export it. But even if you don't adjust some settings, if you click on export, it will be exported. But let me explain these settings for you to help you know which one will best fit your need. We also have one setting that you need to understand before you come to export. So let's talk about the screen size of your video. So this is the original aspect ratio of your video, and then this aspect ratio is for mobile view, it's for TikTok or YouTube Short. So actually our video is mobile view video, so you can click on it here. If you are designing for Instagram, you can select this. If you are using a full screen, you can select 16:9. Of course, if you are creating for Instagram, you can also select 9:16. So after making sure that the right aspect ratio have been selected, you click this button and then you can go to export. Click on the export. Now you set your resolution, FPS, and other things. So we have different numbers that will render your video. So we have different resolution here. We have 720p, we have 1080p. So it is recommended that you set your resolution to 1080p. With that, your video will have a good quality. Also, the FPS, that is the frame rate per second. You also have 25, 30, 50, and 60. So it is recommended that you set it at 30. Of course, if you set it at 50, your video will be smoother than it's supposed to be, but your file size will increase. So if this video is for social network, 30 is okay. Then the average bit rate, you can leave it the way it is. So after putting all these settings in place, you can now hit on export. So if you hit on export, you are going to wait for your video to count from 0 to 100, and then you check your file on your phone, and then you see that your video has been exported. So before you export your video, once again, make sure you also play your video to see if everything works well. Yes,